Bitches and Tuesday, fuck that bitch on Monday, fuck her sister Tuesday, you is not gon' do a thing.
Hey, it's that boy Savage, and bruh, I fucking hate algebra, bruh. Like I hate math, period. I mean, I don't know one person who would want to be a mathematician when they grow up. Like, what the fuck? Like, bruh, this shit that they're teaching us in school is honestly pointless. Like, it's the stupidest shit I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen a lot of stupid shit. Alright? Why, first of all, alright, why are there letters in math? Alright? Why do you need, bruh, why do you need a variable? Like, what the fuck? Like, bruh, what the fuck? Like, they'd be like, oh, solve for bitch, I don't have to solve for shit. Like, bitch, you can just put the number right there already. You don't have to put a goddamn variable right there. Like, why do I have to do this shit? It's like unlocking a goddamn key code or some shit. Like what the fuck, bruh? Like, bruh, this is not a fucking Mario game. I don't have to get a key to unlock the fucking door to Bowser or some shit. Like, what the fuck, bruh? Like, what is this shit? Like, oh my god, what the fuck? I don't even think that's algebra. I think that's calculus. And what the fuck is calculus, bruh? Like, what the fuck is this shit? Like, it looks like a goddamn table, bruh. Like, what the fuck, bruh? Like, oh my god, bruh. And then they got I really think that they invented this shit back in like the 1980s. Not even 1980s, like not even 1990s, like the goddamn 2000s. They invented this shit, and then they just now implemented it. They invented this shit so they would actually have work to give us. I feel like high school is just 4 years to harbor your kids until they turn 18. Like, that's honestly how I feel. Because in school, they don't teach you shit that you need to know. Like even in health class, like, I'm not even learning about my body, like, about actual health. I'm in the class for. Like, motherfucker, I learned more about health when I was in goddamn middle school, bro. And I learned more about sex education and goddamn biology. Like, what the fuck? Like, they don't teach you what the fuck you're supposed to learn, bro. Like, bro, tell me if I'm in a job interview to work in a goddamn cubicle in a fucking office, alright? Well, out of nowhere, they will ask me, one of my interview questions is, alright, solve for X. Nigga, no, what the fuck, bitch? This ain't no goddamn worksheet. The fuck? Bitch, I'm trying to apply to get some money, bro. Unless they gonna give me money for doing a fucking math problem, bro. Like that's what fucking people and mathematicians do. But ain't nobody finna do that shit. Like, especially not nobody in this generation. The fuck? Like, bitch, if you become a mathematician, bro, you go out bad. Because, like, it's not even because, like, it's a nerdy job. It's just like, why would you do this? And I swear to God, like, my teacher be trying to challenge us. Like, bitch, did I join this class to be challenged? I mixed two words together. But did I join this class to be challenged? Bitch, I joined this class so I can get me an easy A, so I can graduate high school, so I don't have to do this shit again, bro. Like, bro, I'm in my fucking honors algebra. Like, why did they put me in? Bro, I can't stress this enough. I got a low C in my gifted math class in 8th grade. A low C. And somehow these motherfuckers, bro, I swear to God, they trying to get me to fail with all they might, bro. Because they keep putting me in the gifted fucking honors shit in math. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? You trying to get me to fail, bro. Because God knows what I got in my motherfucking algebra class. Because I don't ever understand any of that shit. The bitch goes too fast. So you can't really get the only way you can actually get the stuff is if you have a photographic memory, or you just, learn at a fast pace. But you have to learn at a fucking college rate to get that shit, like, on the first time. And then when she asked the people who need extra help, like, instead of, kind of explain how the method goes, she'll put a problem on the board and say, solve it. Like, what the fuck? Like, bitch, I came over here because I don't know how to do it. What the fuck? And how is it gonna help me learn? Like, how am I gonna do it and get help to learn how to do it if I don't know how to do it? Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Like, what kind of logic is that? Oh, to get it, you have to do it. No, you have to explain the steps first, so I will know how to do it, and then you give me the problem so I can check my work. Like, no, you don't give me the problem and then expect me to get a fucking 100 on a fucking quiz on some shit that you just gave out. And quiz is like worth like 30% of our fucking grade. So like, bruh, why the fuck are you doing this? Like, this honestly is fucking retarded, bruh. Like, honestly, school is just, like I said, school is just like 4 years just to harbor your kids until they become adults, because, you know, the parents, they don't want you, bro. They really don't want you at the house all day, like eating up all their food and shit. So they send you to school, and you can't just sit at school for like 8 hours. So while you sit at school, you know, you gotta do something, and they want you to add pointless knowledge. Like, when I go to school, bro, teach me something that I'll actually like that'll actually be useful. Like, teach me how to put an investment. All right, teach me how to make an investment. Teach me how to share stocks and bonds or some shit. Teach me how to buy a house. All right, teach me how to keep up my credit or some shit. Not teach me how to fucking do a calculus problem that I will never need to know how to do in my life. Like, bitch, if I become a fucking, if I work at McDonald's, bro, they not gonna ask me, oh, solve for XYZ. Like, nigga, what the fuck, bitch? I'll slap the shit out of you. I'll slap the shit out of that manager. Ask me that bullshit. Tell me some. Solve for B, C, X2, 4, 7. Like, nigga, no, bro. Solve for negative Y, bitch. Like the problem to be x plus y equals b, and they'll be like, solve for x, solve for y, solve for b. Bitch, bitch, that could literally be anything, bro. Like, what the fuck? Like, that could literally be anything. But no, we need a precise answer. Or that bitch would be like 26. No, it'd be like x divided by b times c to the fucking fourth power, and then the answer would be like goddamn 26. And you be like, what the fuck, bro? Bruh, what the fuck? Like, literally, this could be anything. And I'm not finna solve this shit, because if I solve it, I've just done what you want me to do, and doing this stupid ass worksheet, which I won't have to do. Like, bruh, we have to do this pointless ass shit, or our lives are basically gonna be ruined, because you don't have a high school diploma, bro. There's gonna be slim chances of you getting any good paying jobs. But still, they want us to do this bullshit so we can have a successful life. Like literally, I want to write a petition. Fuck, I just dropped something. Well, I want to write a petition to ban this stupid ass shit and get us to go to school to teach us some shit that we'll actually need in the real life, in the real world. Cause, bro, if my mama learned this shit in school, then we'd probably be rich as fuck. All right, there would be a lot of more successful kids instead of people trying to rob houses and shit, because they would actually know the things that they needed to know, instead of learning how to goddamn how to solve literal equations, or how to do a goddamn calculus problem. No, I'm done ranting about this shit. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Yeah, bro, I'm going straight to the fucking Atlanta Public Schools, what's the name? Board of Education, because these motherfuckers doing some stupid ass shit. Oh yeah, the motherfuckers trying to get us to write in every class. Bitch, they trying to make me something that I don't want to be, bro. I don't give a fuck about no writing.